The Chinese Lunar New Year is being celebrated through the appreciation of Chinese traditional paintings in Cape Town. The Huang Laoshi Mandarin Center in the city hosted the event, which showed the differences between Chinese and Western art, as well as demonstrating how to master the art of the brushstroke. CGTN's Travis Andrews brings us that report.
For centuries, Chinese painting has remained one of the oldest continuous artistic traditions in the world, which is deeply embedded with Chinese philosophy. And today it's an art form which continues to inspire many people, including in Cape Town, where the Huang Laoshi Mandarin Center put together a group of like-minded enthusiasts to explore the ancient traditions of Chinese painting, which seems to be piquing many people's interests.
In the past 2 years, I can see more and more people that like to learn Chinese. They like to learn Mandarin and also like to learn all the cultural events. Like yesterday, we had a dumpling making, and it's fully booked, and today also fully booked. So you can see this kind of cultural event is getting more and more popular in Cape Town.
The painting workshop forms part of the Chinese Lunar New Year festivities that are being celebrated throughout the world, and these lot are participating with every brush stroke. For some, these type of Chinese cultural events are a common affair.
Often used to go and participate even with preparations for Chinese New Year. The last time we were part of the fan in Tai Chi, and we did a sort of show for the other Chinese people who participated.
But their paintings were being judged, so most took the occasion as an opportunity to learn from one of the best Chinese teachers in the Western Cape.
Very interested in Chinese brush painting. I practice Qigong, and I've been on a visit to China, and I've studied Mandarin with Tony, and the Mandarin course was excellent.
In the end, the event produced some really great Chinese paintings and inspired the artists to continue in their quest to learn more, to practice, and to grow their appreciation of this art form that has appreciated through the ages. For many Cape Townians, Chinese traditional art certainly differentiates itself from Western-style art in that it has important cultural linkages, and it is that immersion into the art form that has made it so popular in the mother city. Travis Andrews, CGTN, Cape Town.